Kate from SewCraftCook. Today I wanted to show you how to use the denim patches that come in your sewing kit. We've got a nice pair of children's denim shorts here, but they've got a little hole. So what we're going to do is pop a patch on. You've got a light patch and a darker patch in your kit. I'll grab the dark patch today. I'm going to make a little shape for this hole too, because it's a child's pair of shorts. It would be nice if it had something, let's say like a little love heart on there. So we'll cut that out of our patch. You can see on the back of the patch that it has the iron-on adhesive there. Cut that out like that. And because underneath here we've also got a pocket, or even if you don't have a pocket, you'll have the back of the shorts or the jeans, whatever you're repairing. Pop a piece of cloth underneath. Make sure that cloth can tolerate the heat of the iron. You need to iron on hot. Denim shorts are fine on hot, but if you're using a fabric that isn't usually ironed with a hot iron, do a tester first, but place a piece of fabric over the surface as well so that you don't melt your fabric or put a burn mark in them. So we take our patch. So pop your iron on hot. And it just takes a few seconds, maybe up to 30. Make sure that you're not burning your fabric while you're doing it. Let it cool off just a little bit before you touch it. And just check the edges to make sure that they're actually stuck. Take out your base and off you go.